In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert portrait-style slides into a Google Slides presentation that is originally set up in landscape orientation. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Slides presentation. This is the document where you'll be making the orientation change. Once your presentation is up and you're ready to go, navigate to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Page Setup to bring up the Page Setup dialog box. This box is where we can customize the orientation of our slides. In this dialog box, you'll notice a drop-down menu with various options. It typically defaults to widescreen, which is the usual landscape orientation you'd see. However, what we want to do here is change it. So go ahead and click that drop-down menu and select Custom. This option allows you to manually enter dimensions for your slides, which is key in converting your presentation to portrait style. Now let's enter the dimensions for a standard portrait slide. You'll need to set the width to 8.5 inches and the height to 11 inches. If you're more familiar with the metric system, that translates to 21.59 centimeters in width and 27.94 centimeters in height. Enter these values into the respective fields. These dimensions are typical for a portrait layout, similar to a standard piece of paper. Once you've entered the desired measurements, you'll notice an Apply button appear. Go ahead and click Apply to set these changes in motion. By doing this, you've just altered the orientation of your entire presentation from landscape to portrait. However, there are a couple of important considerations to keep in mind. It's crucial to understand that changes made in Google Slides are applied to the entire presentation. Unfortunately, Google Slides doesn't yet have the capability to mix both landscape and portrait slides within a single presentation. This means each slide you're working with will now be in portrait mode. After you've applied these changes, you might notice that your content needs adjusting. Slide elements like images, text boxes, and other media that fit well in a landscape format may require resizing or repositioning in this new portrait layout. Take a moment to adjust these elements to ensure they work well with your new slide orientation. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your Google Slides presentation from landscape to portrait orientation. While this process does affect your entire presentation, it offers a neat and consistent look when you need slides in a portrait style. Remember to make any necessary adjustments to your content and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!